What you got, Rob?
Hi, this is Brandon Kelly, Speedy 4759123. We're looking to redo the first 4 levels of Pokemon Shuffle. I had records for them recorded, but I guess I must have accidentally deleted them or something. I don't know.
Hello, Alan Piper. Dr. Hadley, Dawn's work read. Nice to meet you.
Now in Durham, Robin and Dawn are at last in touch with historical documents and can begin the process of piecing together the hidden history of High Wurzel.
1531. There's John Sayer of Wurzel, Esquire, Armiger. Yes. As with many of these inventories, it lists it roll by roll.
They find a remarkable will. It belonged to the Lord of the Manor of Wurzel and lists all his possessions.
With a good number of pots and pans in it, and candlesticks. And then it goes on to list the man's outside. The crops in the fields. Crops in the field. We've got the cattle here, oxen and milk cows and their calves and so on.
This is the note of the gift of lands from William II to the Bishop of Durham.
Hello, Robin Bush here.
Robin, it's Tony. How you getting on?
Oh, we're doing fine. We're in the most marvellous library of Durham Cathedral. We've got this wonderful quote written by the curate of High Wurzel, who wrote a book on Cleveland in 1808. And he says, the chapel here, it seems, shared a similar fate with the village and continued in ruins till about the year 1719, when the present humble structure was erected out of the remains of the former. So that gives us a date, probably when the village is gone, 1719.
Listen, we've been coming up with 14th century pottery.
No, not specifically. We turned up the will and inventory of a John Sayer living in the manor house at High Wurzel in 1531.
Can you see if you can get us some more of that earlier medieval stuff?
Absolutely.
Well, if you get anything tonight, give us a bell, all right?
Okay, Kelly.
Bye.
Bye. Well, I suppose all we can do is plough on backwards. Okay.
Over on South Road, things are moving on quickly. We've already hit the natural soil in Trench 2 with no finds at all. So we decide to try 2 more trenches here, Trench 3 and Trench 4. Trench 3 is over what should be the very edge of the village. We're looking for a ditch here in which we might find early pottery. Carenza is marking out Trench 4, which is across a ditch marking the boundary between 2 houses.
The middle.
Meanwhile, back in our first trench in North Row, Phil has uncovered a strong stone feature. It's across the centre of the building, and not on what we thought
That's
were the
a new
outside
high
edges.
score on level 1.
I thought whatever was under here
On to
would be
level
the
2.
same shape as this little hillock we're on. But the stones aren't. Why not?
They should be. We think the same.
Well, end of day 1, and we've got a mystery.
I'd have put money on there being walls under these
Should have
banks.
been a stone wall under that back.
But this is really interesting, isn't
Yeah,
it?
Does it?
Then why are we spending so much time about 200 yards over there where it isn't?
it is interesting over there. I mean, we've got a trench being opened up to see where the boundary is. The boundary which may have the earliest material in the bottom of it, which will give us some information about the date of the plan. And you've got another area that's got a
We've
similar
got
sort of
3 trenches over there.
Yeah, but you can get into it. We can excavate that area much more freely because it's more damaged. The earthworks in good condition. We must be careful with it.
We've got one eye on the fact these are well-preserved earthworks which we want to keep. I mean, what they've done over there, in fact, is playing off a lot of this, getting us down to the lower levels that are going to answer the questions about when it was founded, how it was laid out.
So what are we going to do tomorrow?
We're going to carry on over there. You're on about... Huh?
You're the chief archaeologist.
Yeah, because,
Your things are wasted resources.
On to level 3.
Why? Because I think that the only reason you're not concentrating on this area of the site is because you want to demonstrate that you don't want to do too much damage to the most interesting part.
We are
And I think it's
looking-
mad
No,
because you've got
no.
so much of it, and then you could actually make very neat sections in here.
Can't dig it all in one weekend. We want
Exactly, so let's go, it seems to me like you're saying, I've got a whole basket of plums here, and I'll eat the bad ones because I don't want to spoil.
Neither are we going
What
to use
the
these
hell?
earthworks to answer the questions we set out with. If we can get the same answers
I'll be
from the
darned.
part of the site. He's not convinced.
No.
Not gonna argue?
Well, end of day
Holy
one, I've been beaten hands down by anally retentive archaeologists. Join us after the break when hopefully we'll be able to crack the puzzle of this mysterious trench. Yeah?
Get on.
I'm feeling really happy this morning. Last night I was winding the archaeologist up, partly because I felt that they were being ultra-conservative in not being prepared really to excavate in what I considered to be the plum area of the site. And partly because I was frightened that we were going to spend the whole weekend exploring the lumps and bumps on the surface without really being prepared to get underneath to find out what the archaeology was like there. Well, overnight they conceded that we could put in a new trench here in what I think is a really interesting part of the site where we haven't dug yet and where there's some very interesting earthworks. This is where we put in our first trench on North Road. This is where we are now.
That is a new record
The western zone.
on level 4.
John and Stuart are just working out precisely where we should put the trench. The area we're now looking at is here, just west of the church. The geophysics team is collecting data from it, while Stuart begins to examine the lumps and bumps. The earthworks on this part of the site are very different. They suggest a group of buildings in a settlement. We know that somewhere on this site there was a manor house. Some of us are beginning to think that it may be around here. In Trench 1, Phil's back at work trying to make some sense of the mass of stones he's come across. Is there a wall to this building in here somewhere? And across in South Road,
There's the proof that I'm on
the rest of
Android.
the dating evidence we need. Trench 4 is getting longer, but there's no sign of a ditch yet. We also decide to extend Trench 3 in our
This has been Brandon
mountain
Kelly,
to the edge.
Speedy 4759123.
Phil's
Those were
extending
the
Trench
first
1.
4
He
levels
knows
of
he's definitely
Pokemon
excavated
Shuffle
the building,
redid.
but these stones don't make any sense.
Thank y'all for watching.
The extension is a good move that soon pays off.
This is all stony. Oh, you look, there's an opening up there.